Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. We are 58 degrees and sunny. It looks like it's nice outside today. We got Kombu, F-I-R-S-T. First of the chat, Kombu, baby. What's going on, Kombu, Peter? Kombu, Gorilla, Peter, Kombu, Peter, Dark Bro, Kombu, Bro. Oh, Bo, not Bro. Almost was bro. Bo, how you doing? Dark Bro, Peter, Nick F, Kombu, Peter, Suzuki, Kombu, Challenge Channel, Kev Machine, all of you guys. Glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far. That is not the market. That is not the market. We have, where in the world? That is the market. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $11.24, man. 5% gain on AMC today. Looking very good. Up 5%. It's back to $1.12, which is the equivalent of $11.25. But nonetheless, it is up on the day. Looking pretty good there. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 841 points per coin. Up 3.57% so far today. GameStop, $13.75, down 0.87%. Amazon sitting at $140. It is up $1.44, 1% on the day today. Nasdaq sitting up 0.25% right now. Looking like it might curl back over a little bit. 13.514 right there. AMC, 11.23. GameStop, 13.74. Dogecoin sitting at 7.4 cents. Ethereum sitting at 18.92. Shiba Inu coin, 842 points. Bitcoin sitting at 34,960. Ticking lower at the moment. The SPY sitting at 435.46. QQQ 368.81. Curling back over. Man, look at this channel forming on the QQQ today. Dude, if it bounces back and forth in between this level of resistance and this level of support all day long, I'm telling you, that'd be a nice little candle to buy in, a put on right now. Look at that curl over. It might come all the way back down to 368.50 or potentially 368.20. Keep an eye on it. Molinado sitting at 30 cents. Sundial sitting at $1.52. Netflix sitting at $4.31. Highcroft Mining sitting at 26.5 cents. MPW 5.18, down 5% on the day today, and sitting sideways after a nice morning decline there. MPW down 5% to 5.18. Tesla sitting at 219.41, curling over a little bit today, and possibly making some new lows there. Amazon 140 flat. Apple sitting at $179.11. It too could be curling over, but this intraday trend line to the upside is still intact at the moment. Got to keep an eye on that one. Let's see what we got going on right here. Kombu's going to be passing out with no wife and kids to wake him up there. Kombu, man, sleep well as you were doing your sleep apnea test, my friend. We have... Oh, don't do this again to me. Don't do this again to me. Oh, boy. There it is. Streamlabs acting up a little bit, not wanting to click on the things that I click on, so finally got it back up to the Weeble page. It's out of habit, so I will continue to click, but if I don't click as much, it's because I'm actively trying not to get messed up by Streamlabs lagging like that. Bought a new toy with my forthcoming profits. Challenge channel. What'd you get, man? What'd you get? Hot Wheels? Legos? What kind of a toy did you get out there? Was born ready, baby. Let's go. Kev Machine, let's get started. Jacob Israel, how you doing, man? Sup to you. What is up, bros? What's going on, Kenneth? How you doing today? Hopefully all of you guys had an amazing weekend. Hello, all. Suzuki, thanks for the heads up. That Clay is on. Do you guys know what time it is? It's noon, man. It's time for live. Yes, Suzuki. Oh, come on. No, it's not even ticking around. Why does it not want me to click on this Weeble? But look, I can click on this scene. No, I can't click on any of these scenes. Streamlabs is gonna teach me patience. Streamlabs will be the death of me. Alright, there we go. Stop lagging, Streamlabs. Done clicking around for a minute. Challenge channel, tell us about your new toy, man. XRP killing it. XRP is killing it, man. XRP, let's see where it's at. Was it 72 cents when I looked this morning? Let's see what is going on with XRP 2D. By 2D, I mean today. XRP. XRP sitting at 71 cents right now. Absolutely beautiful gains on the day. Up 9.63% right now. Amazing gains there. I do want to point out though, guys, if you look at this graph here, you know, you can see this slow ascending trend line. These higher lows that keep being hit. We are pulling away. So if this trend line is the trend line that it's going to follow, you should expect some sort of a pullback. I don't know how long it's going to take to pull back, but this is the ascending trend line, man. Over the course of the year, taking it from 30 cents up to about 50 cents. So, yes, pulling away from that beautifully right now, but over the course of a month or so, it could come back down 50, 55 cents. So just watch out for it. And that's not me saying that will happen. That's me saying if this ascending trend line is where XRP feels comfortable here, these higher lows that keep being hit, I would expect to pull back if, of course, that trend line does continue to hold up. When Suzuki Green name? That's what I want to know as well. Feel so stupid for selling Kombu, man. Never feel stupid for selling something. The worse you feel about making trades, the just guaranteed fact you'll never be a winner. Sometimes you make money and you kick yourself. Sometimes you lose money and you kick yourself. If all you ever do is kick yourself, you will kick yourself. Simple as that. XRP making me so much. Giovanni, I like it, man. Rated Silva, what's going on, Rated Silva? How are you this morning? Holy Shib. Yes, man. Brandon, Shiba Inu coin sitting at 845 points per coin, looking very good right now. At 4K XRP at 48 cent average. We'll be looking pretty good. It's 70 cents right now. Lots of good news on XRP. More good news to come. I absolutely hope so. Samsung Tab 9 Ultra. Using it for trading. It's fast. Now, I don't know which Samsung tab they're on right now. Is the Tab 9 the latest tablet that they have? I don't know which tablet they're on right now, but that sounds pretty sweet. Challenge channel, very nice, man. Let us know if that's the latest one, because I like dude, I've got a really, really old Samsung tablet. I don't even know if it's like a numbered tablet. So I should probably buy a new tablet soon, especially if we get some decent deals for Black Friday or something going on. Let's go XRP. Heck yeah, Suzuki. When you are working hard, you don't realize the time. By the time you realize that you missed lunch. Facts, dude. Facts. I just say, what is lunch? What is lunch, man? Oh, don't do this to me. All right, we're going to click on that one. We're going to let it load. And then, of course, I'm going to click on Weeble again. And hopefully, I don't understand what the lag is on Streamlabs today. I don't understand what the lag is. So hopefully it brings me back up in a second here. Should be kicking yourself, and Dogecoin bots are doing so well right now. Absolutely, Kenneth, and I'm glad you're killing it on those Dogecoin bots, man. Are we there yet? I'm hungry. Night Cow, we're almost there, dude. You need a bot to trade for me. I get too emotional. Hey, and you know what, Kombu? No harm in that either. No harm in that. Kenneth, let me ask you. So you trade on Pionex, right? Is that what it is? Is it Pionex? Maybe it's Pionex that you trade on. I think it was Pionex. They sent me an email over the weekend, and they want me to partner up with them and like make a video or something for it. YFDA, all right, let's check it out. Dark Bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Streamlabs is... There we go. All right, Streamlabs is going to be death of me for sure today. I think I might just try to leave it on this screen right here. Except now it's not bringing up... All right, Dark Pro, I can't change it just yet. It's not bringing up the... It's not bringing up my sources for that scene right there. So I don't know what the heck's going on, but... It needs to update so that I can bring up... What is going on with Streamlabs, man? I swear it refreshed over the weekend. Shiba Inu coin looking pretty good, 848 points per coin right now, touching almost 850 points per coin, going on a nice little rally. As Bitcoin is coming down, Shiba Inu coin is going up. Guys, could we be going through a little bit of a confidence builder here? You got Dogecoin up nicely. Shiba Inu coin up nicely. Terra Luna Classic is actually up to about 6,800 points per coin today. XRP is rallying. Could we be seeing just a slight pullback and a pull out of Bitcoin and Ethereum and a move over into altcoins today, which would lead one to believe that confidence is returning to the crypto space, not just returning to Bitcoin and Ethereum, the major players out there. Pionex.us is awesome. All right, Dark Bro, you guys like it. Does anybody else use it in here? Because, actually, let me double check and make sure that's who it was before I go on some rant. If you guys have used it before, I've never used it, but they were emailing me over the weekend. I believe them and Gate.io were emailing me over the weekend. And they want to partner with me. Yeah, Pionex. All right, yeah, it's Pionex. All right, cool. Yeah, if you guys like them, man, let me know. Let me know if you like them. How much should I charge? Oh, I just clicked on the. All right, I don't want to click on that. Don't click on that one. How much should I charge him to do a video? How much should I charge him to do a video on Pionex? Let me know what you guys think on that. Latest model, $1,400 port. It's an expensive tablet, challenge channel. But, dude, the good news is it'll probably last you for several. I mean, dude, you'll probably have that tablet 5-6 years down the road. I've had my tablet for probably 5 or 6 years right now. And I bought it. I think it was even used when I got it, man. So those tablets last a very long time. Why is it so excited? Snake Fox, you talking about Shib or you talking about XRP? Which one are you talking about right now? Streamlabs, screw with Clay right now. Like the green names is screwing me on Friday. 775 Bree guy. Yeah, dude, I literally can't click on these scenes and go back up to Big Clay, Little Weeble, Little Clay, Big Weeble, and all that. And then when I do, it's lagging like crazy. And now I just got the same little finger cursor that's like this. Like I'm going to click on something, but I'm not even ready to click on anything. So, yeah, dude, Streamlabs is messing with me big time right now, and I don't like it. XRP smashed Binance, taking the number 4 spot last night. Giovanni, yes, it did, man. Hey, Michael, I agree, dude. Shib Association is... They seem to just be listening. Isn't it funny that that's all it takes is somebody to just listen to the community? They're going to be setting up their blockchain. Their minimum fees are going to be 20,000 SHIB per transaction, which is roughly the current price is 16-17 cents. Half of the fees award the validators, which, because it's a proof of participation blockchain, goes to the people using the blockchain. And then the other half of the fees go to burns, man. So they're going to be burning at a minimum with these current prices like 8 cents to 9 cents per transaction. I don't know if you guys realize this, but it would take it's literally going to take hundreds of millions of transactions at the current burn fees. Now, I know that there's a little bit more associated because there's been some very large burns where you essentially saw 1 cent being burned every 5 seconds when those NFTs were being minted on Shibarium. But yeah, dude, the burns are astronomically higher than Shibarium. Kano is owned by the same fund that squeezes HKD. Aglel Hijos, man. Make sure you guys check that out if you want Kano. We can pull it up here. Shiba, Lunk, I just dumped all and packed up more XRP and XLM and HBAR. All right, and you know what? 775 Bree guy, no shame in that either. If you just dropped your Terra Luna Classic and your Shiba Inu coin to load up on Stellar Lumens, XRP, and HBAR, probably a safer investment, I would say. Shib is creeping up, dude. Shib is looking pretty good at 845 points per coin right now. It's awesome to see Shiba Inu coin moving higher, but Bitcoin moving lower. I've been using Pionex from the beginning. Any complaints about it, guys, right? Tell me if you got any complaints. I've never used Pionex, but I sent him an email back because I know some of you guys do use Pionex. I sent him an email back saying that I would be okay doing some videos on them and using them in my description instead of, you know, giving them a shout out instead of giving like KuCoin or Binance a shout out. Because at this point of the game, you can't use KuCoin in the United States. And Binance is extremely limited in the United States. So if Pionex is allowing people to trade cryptocurrency and they got a good platform, I would have no problem with it. Dark, bro, what are you peddling right now? Let's figure it out. Is that the only way you can get free stock is when you get a referral link and then both people get free stock? Yeah, it's true. I signed up to Clay's link like last Thursday and never got the stocks. I don't know. Yeah, Jacob, so if you are on, if you signed up for Webull, okay, and you made a deposit, right, I don't think your deposit, if you signed up on Thursday, I don't think your deposit would have settled yet. So they have to make sure that your deposit settles for you to do so. And it usually takes, the first transaction usually takes 5 business days for your deposit to settle. So, sometimes they tell me my deposits settle between 3 and 4 business days. So I don't know if that's because it's, you know, not after a first deposit or what, or if it's 3 to 4 business days for everybody now. But you should when your deposit settles. So if you signed up on Thursday, I would actually imagine you're probably not even going to see your funds settle until this Thursday. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned until, you know, maybe Friday hits. And if nothing happens this week, then I would definitely email them. There's a little place on Webull where if you click like the menu button down on the bottom right and go up to your page, it has like I don't know, questions or contact us tab that you can click on, and then you can do like a live chat with them on the Webull app and say, what the heck, where's my stocks? No stress here, Suzuki, your bro with Raw Green. Absolutely. You can trade worry-free and low fees through Binance Network, and you can use as a wallet and build your bags and trade and build even more. Very nice. You're talking about Pionex, right? Why is Bitcoin trading sideways and alts pumping? So roulette wheel, I don't know for sure why that's happening, but one of two things, and I'm not as optimistic as to think it's going to be the second thing, but the fact that XRP is moving higher, I believe, is inspiring altcoins to move higher. That's really what I think is going on here. The recent rip in XRP is causing a nice gain in a lot of altcoins. Now, if I were a little bit more optimistic, I would say, well, we could be entering a I guess, period of risk on investing in the crypto space, which when people become confident in crypto, they flock to Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum. When they become really confident in crypto, they begin to flock to the altcoins, even pulling out of Bitcoin and Ethereum to go into those altcoins. So do I think that we're at that stage of the cycle yet? Probably not. If I was a little bit more optimistic, I would say that we probably are. But I really don't know if we're there yet to start seeing these altcoins rally as opposed to an outpacing Bitcoin. We got Mrs. 50 Shades in the chat. What's going on, Mrs. 50 Shades? Glad to have you in here right now. It's going to be the largest crypto growth, a growth we have never seen before. Going to make 2017, 2021 look like nothing. Institution money, baby. Giovanni, I absolutely hope so, man. I absolutely hope so. Yes, Mrs. 50 Shades is absolute. What an amazing day we are having to. I went big screen on that. Now I'm not going to be able to get back to the Webull screen. Mrs. 50 Shades throwing it all off right there. Oh my gosh. All right, we got to go back on this one. Now I'm going to have to wait for Webull to open back up there. Mrs. 50 Shades throwing me crazy right now. All right, Clay, do it. Pionex is a publicly licensed U.S.-proof company. Kenneth, dead serious question then. How much should I charge him? They wanted to know how much I would charge him to do a dedicated video. I want to know what you guys think I should charge him to do a dedicated video. I'd never charge anybody to do dedicated videos, right? Because dedicated videos, honestly, they perform the worst out of any of the videos. Shiba Inu coin does well. You guys have seen it before. If I do a dedicated video, even if I do one about Sam Bankman-Fried as opposed to Terra Luna Classic or Shib, a lot less people watch it. So What should I charge them to? Golly bum, man. Why does it not want me to click on Weeble? Let me move this. It's like the Weeble. It's like the Weeble one doesn't even exist when I click on it. Let me hold on. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'm stuck on no screen for a minute. You guys don't have to let that go. 5,000. Dude, there is no way they would pay $5,000 for a dedicated video. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah. If I say 5,000 for a dedicated video and they say yes, I can't even click big screen, but you guys can picture what my face looks like right now. Oh my goodness. That'd be amazing. All right, maybe I'll just try it. Since that's the consensus that we took right there, I will consider it. DeFi pays influence 5,000 easy for a video. I can't click the big screen. JB, picture my face right now, okay? And I know you guys, I've got the little side eye going on. Tiny little smirk. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, man. Yeah, that's the thing, though. DD214, the average views are so crazy right now. I would say it's probably like 3,000 to 4,000 after the video's been on a week. But then you just never know, dude. Like, who's going to watch a Pionex video? It might end up with 500 views. It might end up with 500 views. If somehow it ranks in a Pionex, if Pionex starts to rank in search for Pionex on YouTube, it could get 20,000 views. You just never really know, but I highly doubt the current viewers are going to want to watch a video. Yeah, there you go, JV. You are picturing it, man. You're probably picturing it right, too. If you guys are dead serious about listen, if every other video that I do is on Pionex now, you know it's because they're paying me $5,000 a video. Which would be nuts. Also, JB, man, dead serious. If you know any DeFi projects that want $5,000 per video, also picture the exact same face and know that I will gladly, dude, I will gladly do unlimited videos for 5,000. Okay? If they want to pay me $5,000 a video, I will do unlimited videos for them, as many videos as they want. $5,000 a video would be insane, dude. JB, man, I would even give them a subscription. I'd give them a subscription video. You guys get me for the month of November. You could put me on retainer. The month of November, 5,000. You got videos for the month of November. What do you think we hit first, 80,000 or 13,000? All my money on 13,000, but bottom of 11,000. Dude, you know what? Not nice. Let me say it this way. I honestly believe, based on the previous bull market and bear market cycles, that we would hit 80,000 before we hit 13,000. And the only reason I say that, I'm not saying that because I truly think that's what's going to happen, but previous bull and bear market cycles, man, when Bitcoin bottomed out, it bottomed out about a full year after the bull market peak, which would mean the 15,000 we hit at the end of 2022 would have been the absolute bottom. Now, that's strictly based on the previous bull and bear market cycles, so that's what I got, and that's why I say we would hit 80,000 before we would hit 13,000. I don't know if that's what's going to happen or not, but I'm solely basing that on the previous bull and bear market cycles, man. So yes, honorarium is happening, bro. Just have to get the $500 launch on PancakeSwap, start the liquidity pool. Very nice. He Dank Bro changed his name to Dank Bro. Oh my gosh, nice, Dark Bro. One guy I followed done videos was getting 5,000. No, I don't know if it was per month or if he worked out so many videos per month, but I know they gave me like 5,000 to trade on their network for free. My gosh. Dude, I'll see what they say. To me, I'm going to be honest with you. To me, that seems extremely expensive to want to pay $5,000 for a video. I don't know if they'd be willing to go for that or not. but because over here shilling Ponzi protocols. Yeah, JB, man, for 5,000. I'll say it this way: if they allow me to speak my mind on their coin or on their thing, if they don't give me a script, if they give me a script, probably no, thank you. But if they allow me to speak their mind, dude, I will replace the 7 p.m. video with any DeFi, I don't care if it's called Ponzi protocol, man. I will replace my 7 o'clock video with whatever project wants to pay me $5,000 to do so. Roulette wheel! Hold on, roulette. Yes, we're back. Roulette wheel. I'm leaving it on the small one, man, because Streamlabs is really messing with me. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the water. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Oh, yeah. Roulette wheel's like, dang, dude. You're not even on the screen right now, and I can tell your lips are a little chapped. You need to hydrate. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Absolutely appreciate you, man. 77% of XRP holders hold less than 500 XRP. You think that has changed? Probably not, Giovanni. I'm going to be honest with you, man. Probably not. I don't think that... a lot of people are just exposed to a lot of different cryptocurrencies. They don't go out there and hold major bags like a billion Shib or, you know, a full Bitcoin. A lot of people are you know, heavily diversified into these cryptos. So I would actually believe that statistic remains true. Hey, Dark Bro, I could stake you on that exchange for a portion of the tokens. Oh, you're talking about, okay, well, see, that would almost be like a private sale, Gary. That would almost be like a private sale or a pre-sale. And if that's the route Dark Bro wants to go, you know, Dark Bro truly could, you know, he could sell to 10 different holders, 10% of the supply for $100 a piece, and end up with $1,000 to put into the liquidity pool there. Not 10% a piece with 10 different holders, but up to 10% of the total supply. So, you know, 1%, you guys get 100 coins. He's got $1,000 put in the liquidity pool. If you guys wanted to go the pre-sale direction, I don't know about pre-sales, but that's a lot of people do that. They do the pre-sales to fund their liquidity pools. So based on the prior bear market cycles, Bitcoin went down 95%. We have not yet hit that. Not nice. I accept that view as well. I'm talking time frames, right? I'm talking time frames. So if you look at the previous bull and bear market peaks and valleys, we don't necessarily have to hit the same percentage gains and same percentage declines. So, for example, if you were to say at this point in the game, Bitcoin was going to experience a 30x increase because the first bull market cycle led to a 30x increase in price, I would say highly, highly unlikely. And because then it saw a 95% decline afterwards, we should expect a 95% decline this time as well. It's a lot... I don't know if subdued is the correct word here, but it's a lot more mature and a lot more saturated at this point. So before, when, let's say, Bitcoin was running to a $100 billion valuation, and then, of course, sank to a $20 billion valuation, losing $80 billion in value, that would be a lot different than running to a $1 trillion valuation and essentially losing $800 billion in total market cap to retreat that 80% again. So, yes, I see the numbers that you're looking at, but honestly, because I believe that the market is much more mature and much more saturated, I don't think that the volatility can swing in the same ways that it once did. So your gains are going to be capped. I don't think we're going to be experiencing 20, 30x gains in Bitcoin anymore, but your losses will probably be a little bit less as well as the market has matured. Only reason I'm looking at it that way, not nice, because if you're looking at the percentage gains and percentage losses, you know, you would be correct in that situation. Do an interview with Sam Bankman-Fried and how he will handle prison. $50K. I will gladly pay and watch views come in. Dude, I wouldn't even know how to go about getting an interview with Sam Bankman-Fried, but if the Challenge Channel would pay $50,000, oh God. I want to say this, and I'd go big screen on saying this, but Challenge Channel, here's what I truly believe. I truly do believe that Sam Bankman-Fried is a very smart guy, okay? I truly do believe that. And I actually believe, okay, that if he really wanted to, he could look at exploiting different opportunities because that's what he's good at, exploitation. Arbitrage is simply a fancy word for exploitation. And that's how he made his name. That's how he started his game, was arbitraging Bitcoin between, I believe, the United States and Japan. Noticing that in Japan or in the US, I forget which one it was trading at an elevated level compared to the other market. He would buy in one country, sell for a gain in the other. Didn't have to wait for it to move higher and move lower in price. He was exploiting the difference in prices. They call that arbitrage instead of exploitation because exploitation has a negative connotation. I truly believe that Sam Bankman-Fried probably already knows other avenues to exploit or could easily find other avenues to exploit. So if he really wanted to do like the Robin Hood approach or whatever and steal from the rich and give to the poor and stuff like that, I believe that he could get customers' funds back. But at a certain point, man, and we see this happen all the time, I don't know if it's because money corrupts the mind. I don't know if it leads to this like thought of power and the fact that you're above everybody else, so you begin to exploit everyone, or what the deal is. But I believe that he also fell victim to the fact that he was exploiting his own customers and trying to benefit himself in ways that were unsustainable. So, I know the guy was on prescription drugs, right? I know he was on some drugs, and that absolutely could have messed with his mind, and he might be a lot worse off now than when he began. But yeah, dude, I truly believe if he wanted to, he probably could make a lot of money for a lot of people, and he could probably do it from prison as well. It's a lot for coming prop 11,859. Aru, man, absolutely. And dude, look, I hope that you didn't take it bad because I was expressing my opinions and my view on it. It does sound extremely good, and if anybody else has some technical know-how out there and wants to see it, take a look at it. But Aru, man, I hope nothing but the best for you and for Terra Luna Classic. So if you're on to something and it doesn't come down to a community spend proposal for Terra Luna Classic, somebody else could possibly work with you. Somebody that's already got the testing servers necessary so that you guys can partner up. You can test your algorithm, man, and you can make unlimited money. Dang, bro! Pfft. Dang, bro. SBF. Gensler. Futters, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Dang, bro. Thank you very much for the super chat. Is Dank Bro Dark Bro? No, is Dank Bro Dark Bro or is Michael Dank Bro? Which way? Oh, 632. 632 is Michael. All right. The 521 is Dark. They're both Dank Bros right now, but the 521 I believe is Dark, and the 632 I believe is Alan, right? Is that what we got going on? So, dang, bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, man. JB says, I want a video podcast with you and SBF in the room where you have the glass and the phones on both sides, and you're just staring at each other. God, dude, that would be epic, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be epic? Hey, somebody start tagging Sam Bankman-Fried on Twitter and telling him to do the podcast with me. I would love to do that sort of a podcast with him. I'm sitting there, he's on the other side of the glass. We're just having a nice conversation between the little payphone that you pick up off the wall right there. Yeah, dude, that would be absolutely epic. Probably wouldn't be that hard to like cut that together if somebody wanted to fake it in like CapCut or something. Put a little prison uniform filter on Sam Bankman-Fried right there. But no, dude, I would definitely go for the real deal with that one. We got ourselves a King Turkey emoji. Thank you very much for the King Turkey Super Chat. That's for your golf bros right there, baby. Moji is he promised to hit a hole-in-one today, golf bros. So if Moji does not hit a hole-in-one, you guys better hold him accountable because he promised he was going to hit me a hole-in-one today. And if he doesn't, well, he's no good at golf then. Pionex salary for marketing specialist, average base salary is $80,000 a year. Interesting. Kenneth. Look up their average pay. Try to find their average pay for YouTube videos. 80,000, dude. What if I told Pionex that they could just put me on payroll, right? And they could market $80,000 a year. They could get a dedicated link at the top of all of my video descriptions, and I would make sure to do. How many videos a week, guys? How many videos a week? Because I'm going to be dead honest with you. They probably would only expect their marketing specialist to do one video a week maximum. And they'd still pay him $80,000 a year. Tell them to put me on payroll. And start tagging these guys. Tell them to put me on payroll. $80,000 a year. I'll give them one video a week. Guaranteed. Shoot. The honesty of it is, you know that I could probably pump out a daily video for Pionex. I wouldn't even at this point of the game, guys, I've done so many videos. I could do a video on this 8-ball. If I kept my same style, I could do a video on this 8-ball right now. I could go down there, sit, just do a complete video on this 8-ball, and it wouldn't even be a thing at this point. So I could do a video on Pionex every day for the next year if they want to put me on their payroll. As a marketing specialist, Kenneth. Let's get started. Oh, do I have Discord open? Yes, I do. All right, what do we got here? Co-founder. This dude's making $869. They could pay me $869. Compliance specialist, 113. Director of marketing and development, 193. Executive manager, all right, 150. Head of community manager investment, 149. Yeah. All right. These guys, they got the money. They can pay it out. Let's see what this guy is that's emailing me here, Ken. Business developer. Business developers emailing me. See if they got business developer on there. Because I don't want to offend this guy if I email him back and be like, yeah, dude, you got to give me more than your salary for making a video. if he's making $5,000. I don't want to offend the guy and be like, yeah, that's what I need. Who do you think? What are they going to have November 9th, dude? Giovanni, what's coming up on November 9th? Do they have a decision with the SEC or something that's going to be coming out on November 9th? Because nothing's ringing a bell at this moment right now. And if we're just guessing about, what is that, Friday? It's the 9th. Thursday. I have no idea if it's going to be going up or down. But everything so far has been in favor of Ripple. So I think that if it has something to do with the news, I would say yeah. What's going on, Sam the Man? I see you in here. Coming down. What do you think about Pi Coin? We'll do the next run, even though it's not launched yet. Second Chance, that is the most difficult coin to really discuss, and I honestly have no idea what it's going to do, right? I think that guy that created Pi Coin has a phenomenal kind of advertising revenue that he's got going on. And let me say this, I really don't know if he cares to launch it. So I've never mined Pi Coin, but from what I gather, you go out there and you watch a couple ads or you click a button or something and you essentially mine your Pi Coin by going out there and farming these engagements or farming ads. That is absolutely something that people are interested in. Takes a couple seconds for them to go click a couple buttons, and then of course they get rewarded in something that doesn't have any value. So here's a couple things that I would have in my mind when trying to value Pi Coin. Number one, does the guy that created it have any incentive to make Picoin go live? Now, you could say yes if Picoin is going to be successful, and if it's going to rise in price, then he does. But honestly, he's making his money from the engagements with those advertisements. So he is ripping money right now. Number two, what is he using that money for? Now, if he's building up revenue based on this essentially ad sharing business, if he's building up revenue that he will use to either market Picoin, build Picoin, develop around Picoin, great. If he's using it for his own expenses or simply pocketing it, no. Picoin's going to be one of the greatest scams that existed. And essentially, nobody really lost because you didn't invest any money into Picoin. You simply invested some time. So there's a lot of questions that I have surrounding Picoin, man. I don't have all the answers to it, unfortunately. I wish I did, but I just know if the guy wants to kind of lead people on, it's almost the perfect business in doing so. It's amazing how Sam Bankman-Fried's turned on them to save their own necks. Their friends benefited immensely, and now they're all acting dumb and clueless. Yeah. A roulette wheel. Yeah. Caroline and all these other executives that worked at FTX, man, they threw that dude under the bus faster than anything else, and that's almost expected. It's almost expected. Now, I know that they got in trouble as well, and I know they got reduced sentences and all of that stuff, but, dude, that's the hard part of it, man. Or were they ever really his friends? Not if they're going to turn on him like that. But they're going to want you to screen share for the videos, wouldn't they? You'd have to spend some more time editing and getting the right setup. But they're going to want you to screen share for the videos, wouldn't they? Oh, if you're talking about Pionex, I have no idea. So the guy just said this in the thing. He said, for our initial venture, we'd like to do a standalone video that introduces Pionex as a platform to your audience, highlighting our unique trading bot capabilities, and it could serve as an appealing focal point for this feature. Furthermore, we are open to subsequent regular integrations into your content as we believe that continuous engagement could foster a robust relationship between you and your community. Set the wheels in motion. We propose a trial month. This period will allow us to assess the partnership's performance in terms of engagement and transaction volume, which is our primary metric of success. I get it. People want to, they want active traders. At the end of the month, we can review the results together and determine our future course. As for creative freedom, we place great value in your expertise and would love to hear what you believe will resonate best with your viewers. Whether it be standalone video or a combination of standalone and 3 integrated segments within your existing content, we are open to your suggestions. Your insights into engaging your audience is invaluable to us, and we're eager to support your creative process. So, yeah, man, they want some screenshots with, like, past collaborations with like Webull and some user analytics on like how many people sign up per month and stuff like that, which is fine. But yeah, I don't know, man. If they're gonna like try and make me change the entire style of my video, yeah, I don't know about that, but seems like they just want me to talk about it. So I guess I would have to see what they want. But yeah, dude, if they're going to ask me to edit a whole... Oh my gosh, why did I click on this thing? If they're going to ask me to edit a whole video together and do something crazy, yeah, man, they're going to have to pay up for that. Picoin's doing ads and soon to be linking to Amazon and Tesla. You can buy a Tesla phone. My gosh, dude. Well, Kenneth, yeah, I don't know. So Picoin could absolutely have a future, and I hope it does for everybody that's doing Pi. Never understood Picoin. I like American Pi. Understood Picoin. I like American Pi, though. There you go, baby shark. Clay Brown fam, curious. What's your day job when you're not here? Healthcare, IT, an AI sphere here. What is this? I clicked on Webull. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm trying to get Webull to come back up, but anyway... yeah, dude, I guess this is what you see, Gorilla. Day job right here, sitting on the screen, and I'm not even on the screen. Hello, Clay and all. Chris, hello to you as well. Sorry I'm late, been chopping leaves all day for it just to be covered again. Chris, man, I got done mowing. When did I mow? Friday, maybe. Chopped up all the leaves in the yard. It looks nice, fresh. Hopefully, I don't have to mow again the rest of the year. I wonder if the email is legitimate. Nah, the email does seem legitimate, Tank. The email does seem legitimate. I don't know. It's coming directly from Pionex.com email. And I think I've had these guys email me before in the past. I mean, theoretically, I could try and message Pionex's Twitter account to make sure that it's legitimate, but it does seem like it is. It seems like it's legitimate. They've emailed me before. But yeah, I mean, I guess I could email their or message their Twitter account and double check. You were right about the resistance level of around 815. What is the next resistance level of Shib? Roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Let's check it out, man. See if we can find another level of resistance on the screen for Shiba Inu coin right now. Might be a little hard on the. You know what, dude? Yeah. Look, intermediary. You pull out the daily. And right now, you see this level that we're testing right here. Okay, so on the daily chart, and that breaks us out of this level right here. That breaks us out of this level that we were testing, where you had that 810, 815 right there. So let's assume that this is broken. Okay, that little level we're in at the bottom end of these candles. Well, of course, we're going to come to the top end of these candles. And the top end of these candles is essentially where we tested today. So if we want to come up, let's just move this line instead of adding another one. Let's add it right here, okay? That's the lower end of these candles back here in May. Support, 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 support for almost a whole month here. Tested it as resistance, couldn't break through. Tested it as resistance, couldn't break through. Test, 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 boom, finally broke through. Came back down. It did fall right through it on this major decline here in August after Shibarium's release. But tested it, couldn't break. Tested it, couldn't break. Tested it, couldn't break. And started to lose some steam there. So I'm going to guess, and this is about 850. Take it. It's about at 850 right here. Then it's like, I think it's actually at 846 is where that line is. But if we just assume that 850 is where the line is right there, that's going to be my best guess is the next like intermediate level of resistance. Testing several times, 850. If 850 is broken, dude, we may have a little trouble at like 900 at the upper end of these very, very tight candles back here. But in all honesty, man, you know, we wicked to the 950 area, but that 1,000 point per coin mark is just going to be the next major level of resistance beyond this tiny little area right here that we channeled in for about a month in May with candles ticking between 900 and 850. So yes, if we break 850 and can't get a little rally, you know, we'll have to move a tiny little line up here to the 9. But next major level would be that 1,000 point per coin mark. And I don't know if you guys watched the video that I did the other day, but between this channel right here, between about 1,400, the yellow line's at about 13, the orange line's at about 13. But if you raise it just slightly, between essentially the 800 that we're at right now and 1,400, with the average of that being at 1,000, there are 300 trillion Shiba Inu coin that are going to be becoming profitable at around this 1,000 point per coin mark. Now, that could prove to be some huge resistance, because people might want to take profit on their Shib the moment they go into the green. But, dude, if they continue to hold and that many, more than half of the Shib is profitable, it could cause a little bit of a FOMO rally, dude, and we might be on a little burst if 1,000 point per coin is broken. So that's what I got, 850 being the next intermediate level of resistance that we're testing today, and that's on the daily chart right there. Let's see if we can pull. Man. I really don't even know if they're gonna let me pull my face back up on the screen. I'm gonna have to shut Streamlabs down. Is it ticking? Can you guys hear me right now? Because I don't even know if you guys can hear me anymore. Let me know if you guys can hear me, because Streamlabs isn't even counting at this point. It's stuck at 42 minutes and 7 seconds. All right, well, shoot, if you can hear me, okay. Streamlabs is like completely locked up, dude. It's just stuck at 42 minutes and 7 seconds. So it's basically shutting down. The graphs are the graphs taken on the screen? I guess the graphs are ticking on the screen as well. Yeah, the graphs are ticking on the screen. I really don't know what's going on. That's really weird. Well, no joke. I just got outbid on these NFTs by a crypto chip bro. Or you at chip bro. How dare you? No way, dude. No way. If somebody called crypto chip bro outbids you, that is awesome, man. That is, it's not me, I promise. It's not me. I'm not bidding on any NFTs. But that is absolutely hilarious. If somebody has a name, Crypto Chip Bro. JB, dude, I don't know if you can message him or not, but message that dude and be like, what the heck, do you watch Clay, bro? That's amazing. Loud and clear, bro, you can hear me? Oh, shoot. Thank you guys very much for letting me know. Yeah, something's definitely going on with, now it's stuck at 51 minutes and 59 seconds. Just jumped like 10 minutes out of nowhere. So I don't know what's going on with it. Hey, bro, you can pull up the DM I sent you for a moment. Yeah, let's see if I can do that. It seems as though Discord's working. Honorarium token tracker right there. BSC scan, very good. Honorarium token tracker shows the price is $0. Total supply is 11 billion tokens. Number of holders is 1. And updated information on the token tracker. Just pull this up for a minute, bro. Give it a yeah. So I'll pull it up, Dark Bro. But I can't pull it up on. I can't, like, I'm gonna have to do it in the afternoon live stream to pull it up, man. I can't pull it up on Streamlabs right now. Streamlabs ain't doing nothing. It's not even like taking around. So I got it pulled up on Chrome right there. So we can take a look at it, maybe, hopefully, in the afternoon live stream or something. But I can't even pull up Chrome and Streamlabs right now. Speaking to my other ear, Kombu, how would I whisper into your other ear? Yes, sounds even better, doesn't it? Oh gosh, Kombu, that's weird. We can hear you. Challenge channel, thank you very much, man. Got hit with an ad 3 minutes ago. Suzuki, very interesting because I did not click to hit you guys with an ad 3 minutes ago. Yeah, challenge channel, I'm going to have to reboot at least Streamlabs to see what's going on with it. Had a dead tree top in my driveway this morning. Moved it out of the way with the lawnmower. Posted in the Discord. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. You probably posted it in the community chat, right? Oh, dude, be glad that didn't land like on your head or something. That is crazy, man. It's a big tree. It's a big tree for sure. And a really long driveway. A really long driveway you got, man. Jeez, I hope NFT doesn't come back. Many people got burned. Hey, roulette wheel. That's the interesting thing. I do believe that NFTs may come back, man. I don't know. A lot of people say that they won't. But a lot of people said that Bitcoin wouldn't come back. And after 2017, that it was done. You know, the crypto was just a fad. Yet here we were. Remember 2021? We're going to be here, 2025. So I do think it's a possibility NFTs do make a comeback, man. I don't know for sure or not, but I think it's a possibility. Might clear up your problems. Yeah, challenge channel. I'm going to need to do something with it. It's cool, bro. We can wait. Absolutely. Give people a little sneak peek. Heck yeah, this afternoon live stream. Streamlabs glitch, dude. Still stuck at 51.59 right now, so I don't even know what's going on with it. I'm holding only 30 million Shib. Broke the real Ape Father. I don't know if that's the real Ape Father or not, man. You don't even have a picture of the Ape Father on there. 30 million Shib doesn't make you broke, man. It just means you're exposed to Shiba Inu coin. Nothing wrong with that. You don't have to go out there and load the boat on any one asset. But 30 million is better than none. Okay, so if you want to have exposure to if you want to have exposure to the overall bull market and you want to touch Shiba Inu coin along the way, 30 million could be an amazing start, dude. H&M Hong Kong going to pump Kano like they did HKD. Paul, somebody else came in here and said something about that this morning. So let's take a look at Kano real quick. I have no idea. If you guys remember HKD, or if you don't, let's just take a look at that for a second. This is the daily for HKD. And it ripped literally from $12 a share to like $2,500 or something crazy. Yeah, $25.55, man. $12 to $25.55 in like 2 weeks. It was insane, and those are legitimate prices. Those are not like pre-split prices or anything. It legitimately rose to $25.55. So this is HKD. Then it falls, and after falling down to about $50, ripped back up to $300, almost $400. And then where are we at now? HKD currently sitting at $3, $4 per share, and no signs of life at the moment. Now, Kano. I don't know anything about Kano, but a lot of people talking about Kano potentially ripping. Kano's sitting at $9 a share right now after being at $1,000 a share back in 2020. It has not. Okay, it recently undergone a split. 1 for 100. So that $1,000 was actually a $10 price point back here. Question. I don't know if this is going to be an answer or not. Was this a SPAC? Was this a SPAC that went public, jumped from $10 to $17, and then just decided to decline from there? Let me know if you guys know any history on Kano Health, if that was a SPAC or not. I don't know if these guys are going to play an HKD with Kano. All I know is that it's doing very well today. It is up $5 from that $9 price point. It's up 50% on the day today. Looking very good right there. These are pre-split levels, of course. This wasn't really at 11 cents here. You have to remember that it went for a 1 for 100 reverse split. But yeah, dude, going from about $9 to $15. Very nice gain. But it's kind of hard to believe that it's going to rip back up. If it does, though, okay, a lot of people believe that these stocks have to fill the gap. Now, this was an earnings loss right here, and if it does fill the gap, you could be seeing 10x gains to get you back up to that $150 price point to fill that gap and then potentially rip through resistance and fill this gap, which is going to take you a 20x gain to 330, guys. So there are plenty of gaps to fill along the way, and a lot of people probably looking for this one right here at $300. Is it going to make it? No idea, but I know it makes a lot of people excited when you see those high possibilities for gains. No more green name, no more Sam the Man. Sam the Man, grab that green name, my friend. Let's see, get green name, bro. Heck yeah, listen to Kombu. YouTube update in the middle of the live. What is YouTube doing, man? Come on now. Kombu, didn't you just become a green last Friday? He may have, man. Till the next time, everyone. Giovanni, absolutely, man. Suzuki's in here. What is Kano? I don't know, man. People have been coming in here and talking about it. Lamar Loves You seems to be some sort of a healthcare stock that a lot of people are associating with that HKD that jumped from $12 to $2,500. I think it was sometime, either at the beginning of the year or last year, that it had that rally right there. So it is 1 o'clock. Suggestions. Don't be Shitoshi. Mark L. That is an excellent suggestion, man. Guys, it's 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being in here. Roulette Wheel, man, thank you very much for the Super Chats today. And let's do some shout-outs, guys. We'll be back this afternoon. And dead serious, if you guys, JB, man, if you know anybody in the DeFi space that wants a video for $5,000, I will gladly do them a video for $5,000. I'll put them on. Dude, they can have me on retainer for $5,000, man. let's get started. All right, we'll do the shoutouts, guys. We'll be back a little bit later. Sam the man, Dan, see you later, Dan. We got Kombu, Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, Suzuki, Giovanni, see you later. Suzuki, see you later, man. Mark L, 775, Breed Guy, Kombu, Dank Bro, Dark Bro. We got Gorilla Invictus, Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, Sam the man, Kev Machine, Second Chance, Geoped, Dark Bro, Mark L, Suzuki, DD214. I know JB's still in here. Moji, enjoy your golfing. I don't know if J Bones is in here or not. We got Old Rounder Bro, Sam the man. See you both later. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.